Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I have a feature to bring you that you may not know about. Did you know that you could actually post to all of your social accounts from the mobile app using HighLevel? That's right, we all know and love the social planner on the desktop view, but we can also post to all of our social accounts right from the mobile app. It's super cool, so let's dive right in. So here we are in the mobile app. All we have to do in order to post to all of our social accounts is click the hamburger menu in the top left and then click Social Planner. And then right from here, we can view all of our accounts that are connected to our sub account, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and more. And not only can we add accounts and manage our account connections here, but we can make posts and view our scheduling calendar here in the app. All we have to do is click plus in the bottom right-hand side. Then we can select the pages that we want to post on. For example, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Then click create. Then we can customize our post with lots of different options. You can add your caption right here in the middle in the section that says what's on your mind. You can change post options by clicking post options to add follow-up comments and to designate whether this is posting as a feed post or a reel or a story with Facebook and Instagram, and of course all the settings that apply for other platforms. We can add media by selecting media in the bottom left by either taking a picture, choosing from gallery, choosing from files, or choosing from the media storage associated with this sub account, which is absolutely awesome. We can also customize our post by turning on customize post and then customize our post for each platform like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever platforms we're posting on, we can make a separate post for each one. Then under advanced settings, we can also choose a category, add a tag, and then lastly, when we're ready to post, we can simply click post in the top right hand side, and then this will go out to all of our social platforms just like that. This is an awesome feature that you may not know about, so be sure to share this with your team, with your clients, and with your audience, and utilize this within your business. As always, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks so much for watching.